That was lint, and I have lip gloss. Not today. Hey loves, it's your girl Joe with a set, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing an IG Baddie. This look that's been going around. The only thing I did different was the lip color, but I'm gonna show you how to do like this. This is that pink and brown lip liner combo that you see with all the IG Baddie makeup. That way you already know, so that way you have two in your repertoire. This is actually my go-to. It's beautiful, it is stunning. You see how it gives this look, this like bronzy. This is what I want, this is what I'm looking for. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. I don't even know if you guys can hear that noise. It's a lot, and my neighbors are super loud. So my face has already been cleaned. I'll to prep it with my coconut skin smoothie primer from First Aid Beauty, Chef's Kiss, especially if you have dry skin. Take my Bionic Glow. Pistachio is listening. Oh my god, it's been so long since I've done a YouTube tutorial. It's making me so happy. So for the brows, we're going to take Got2b glue, take our brow brush, and we are going to just brush it through. And this is for that laminated brow look. You know, it's crazy. I saw on TikTok, people were like, why don't people do any more makeup tutorials on YouTube anymore? That's because nobody watches them, because I do them. So watch this one. That Got2b glue, gonna get it every time. Look at this. Look how good my brows look. And this is much cheaper than the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. Not only can you use it for your brows, you can use it for your edges too. So you just save yourself on edge control and a brow freeze. This is from Shein, Skinny Brow Pencil color. It's brown though. Louise base Rumor 2, and this is just going to be to carve out the brows on the bottom. So for the top, we're going to take a Rumor 4, which is closer to the skin tone, and we're going to carve out the top. Take the rest of Rumor 4 and we're going to apply it all over the eyelid, and that is going to be our base so the eyeshadow can really pop and go on nice and smooth. Do you need an eyeshadow primer? Honestly, I do not use an eyeshadow primer. I do not think you need one. Concealer works just fine too. The only thing with concealer is make sure you apply a little bit of setting powder so it can become a little matte. Otherwise your eyeshadow gonna look really funky. We're gonna apply it right here in this space between the brow bone and the eyeball. Notice where I have the brush too, towards the end. Go ahead and apply. It looks a hot mess, but it's a smoky eye. And all we're doing is taking those colors and we're applying them on that harsh line to really buff and blend. With smoky eye, you don't want to see where the eyeshadow begins and ends. See that? Pat that all in there. And when it comes to a smoky eye, it always goes from dark to light. gonna take a black eyeliner pencil. This is from Wet n Wild, and we are going to line the eyes. So now we can just set that pencil eyeliner. So I just went ahead and set that with that dark brown. What's the name of it? Now it's time for lashes. This was actually an easy look. We use one palette and that's it. We're gonna take our Kiss lash glue and we're gonna apply it directly on the lid like so. To me, this is the best way. Take out my AirPods. Remember, we already did the primer, we did the glitter drop, and we're just going to press it. I am pressing it into my skin. Feather it down to the neck. This is off subject, but I feel like this is the longest I've ever had braids in my hair. Usually I take them out as soon as the vacation is done. I want to keep them in for a month. So we are using e.l.f. These are the Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm and in Medium Beige. Medium Neutral. Apply it right here. Apply it here. Here. Apply it here. Right here. Gonna blend this out. I'm just taking a big brush, big dense brush, and blend. This is so easy. You could literally wear this look every day. I think that's why, honestly, it's so popular. It looks like it took a long time, but as you can see, we're already on the face. I do not nose contour. My nose is fine. Every time, no matter how much I try, it looks contoured, and I see it on everybody. The only person that knows how to nose contour, the best person, is Carly Biebel. And I've seen her tutorials and I can never get it like that. Sometimes God blesses us with gifts and sometimes he doesn't. Woo, ghost face killer. I'm gonna lightly set it, so I'm dusting off all excess. Let me tell you, if you want to look like an IG filter, Patrick One Size. Patrick freaking Star killed it with this. Lightly set it. Ghost face killer. Take our beauty blender. This is the only time I use a beauty blender. Do not like beauty blenders. I feel like they remove the product. They do not work. Only time I use it is for this reason, and that's to bake. And yes, we have dry skin and we could bake because of the skincare prep and because of all the hydrating products we use. When I first started doing makeup, I used to watch all the makeup gurus. Let me do what they do. I feel like majority of them had oily skin, so I would use all their mattifying products, and I would end up looking a hot mess. Since my skin was so dry, I was literally drying it out so much, and I was like, why do I look so horrible? I look like a reptile, I look like a lizard, and that is because I was using drying products on dry skin. Now I'm just warming up the product on my hand. Down, up, down, push 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 up. That's how you remember it. Then flip it, circle it, circle it, circle it, circle it, circle it, circle it. Do the rest of the forehead. Trust the process and trust me. My brush and my Dior, if you can get it, it is worth it. And I'm putting it above the contour. Look at that gorgeous color. I'm going to take our black eyeliner pencil and we're going to line the waterline. looks so pretty. Okay, stop. Relax. So I just took the colors 2, 3, and 4 I use on top of my eye, and I just use it to smoke it out underneath. So now we're going to take the Fit Me pressed powder, load up the brush, and we're just going to go ahead and press that all in there to remove that powder. Press it in. Don't worry about this line, we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna go ahead and dot it in on my nose. I like that blush look. Bronzer. And that just adds the color back that the pressed powder took away. You can use a big fluffy brush. So to get rid of this line, we're gonna take our brush that we use for the concealer. We're just gonna go in there and press against that line and erase it. So before we do the lip color, come in with some Juvia's Place, this pink color, which I have to order a new one. And then we're gonna place it right on top of here. So you see where the concealer is, you see where this is? I'm gonna place it right here to blend those two together. Take some black eyeliner because we're gonna draw some moles. Okay, so for the lip color, typically it's usually a pink, but I don't want to do the pink because I found this good, super cute lip color yesterday that I really want to do. I feel like this one's better. This one is better. This is the best lip color for this look. It's our Wet n Wild brown liner. We're going to take Fudge Me. Taking this color Chick, and it's from Juvia's Place.